how to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace not loading. Alright, let's begin. Are you experiencing difficulties with your Facebook Marketplace not loading and you're eager to resolve this issue? Well, you've landed on the perfect video. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to fix this problem. It's crucial to watch the entire video and follow each step for the solution to be effective. I recently encountered the same problem, and what worked for me was clicking on the three lines in the bottom right corner or top right corner for Android users. I then scrolled down and clicked on Help and Support, followed by Report a Problem. In the report options, click on Include and scroll down to select Marketplace. For clarity, I explained the issue in the text box, expressing that I was having trouble with my marketplace not loading and needed it fixed for my account. After typing, don't forget to click on Send in the top right corner. Now, give it a couple of minutes and return to your marketplace. Hopefully, the issue will be resolved. If the problem persists, an alternative solution is to scroll through your phone settings, select airplane mode, turn it on, and then off again. This action can help restore your internet connection. I hope this video proves helpful to you. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below, and if you have any questions, I'll do my best to respond. Wishing you the best day ahead. So that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.